Buy a siomai to Ate Carol. I said, probably 20 pesos I bought siomai. I remember. I remember in my old school in CDIFI, 20 pesos anyway I bought those things. During the time I was in the Atipura. I was in Teacher Joy's class. Ralph Guevara was in Teacher May's class. We have different. When I asked Atipura, 20 pesos I bought siomai. Oh, I said it. Same as Atipura. Atipura knows everything. She said to me, I bought 20 pesos. So I bought 20 pesos. I went to Ate Carol's siomai. I said it. I really bought 20 pesos and I said, I asked Ate Carol, um, how much at siomai was. It's 20 pesos. Oh, 20 pesos. It's totally is siomai. Oh, and I bought 20 pesos. And I told to Ate Carol, anyway, 20 pesos that siomai. And I realized 20 pesos. Oh, when I talked to Ate Carol, not only in Messenger, I only talked to Ate Carol in personal. How much at siomai anyway? 20 pesos. Oh, I said it, 20 pesos. Okay, let's move on about this. I thought I was asked by JD Biniegas and Jared Dino, will I buy PS5? I said, wait for PS6. If the PS6 going to be released, let's wait for it. Usually, if I buy PS5, I will ask Ninong Michael if he was in Netherlands or or even he was in UK or he will buy PS5 for me or for Christmas gift or if Ninong Michael was there or Ninong Michael is busy in cooking in chef or in UK because he's busy. Like Teacher Gio Malana, busy in teaching in the US. Oh, like Teacher Kel, busy also. Oh, and Ninong Michael is also busy in chef. Alright, busy because he's busy in cooking. What does he cook? Oh, everything he cooks. Oh, Ninong Michael. I saw his YouTube vlog. It's Ninong Michael. Oh, let's wait for it. Because I imitate Ninong Michael. Makalintal. He always buys street food. In the Philippines while he was in when he was there when he having a short term of vacation he bought what's that street food of Ninong Michael, quick oh how much quick anyway to Teacher Joy in CDIFI oh when there's Ate Dina and Ate Rona oh 20 pesos lang oh I bought 20 pesos oh 20 pesos. So, when I was in Teacher May's class with Ate Pura to buy a pansit, 20 pesos lang po. Like I said, 20 pesos. But, that time, Ninong Michael bought 20 pesos and he bought quick. Oh, I always inspire Ninong Michael. I bought street food, siomai, to Ate Carol. Oh, I always buy siomai. I asked Ate Carol, I just want to tell you, oh, little bit siomai, oh. I said that, little bit. When I say little bit, siomai. I hope I said not too much, oh. Little bit. But I said to her, little bit. I said that little bit only. Konti lang ang toyo, like I said. Little bit. So, little bit. But for me, I never talk about the issue of Paulo Cruzada. Paulo Cruzada, I already defeated him. He's already a crybaby. Oh, he was summoned by Ate Mel. Even he was summoned by Teacher May. Okay, Teacher May Tiburcio ha, and Ate Mel Canete for reprimand Paulo Cruzada. But meanwhile, I defeated him already. Oh. But this time, when Ate Mel says to me, don't create a fake account. Oh, I already know. I said it's already no. It's already no to Kuya Bear. Oh, Kuya Bear is teaching lots of things. He's really a pastor. I told him, I will never make a fake account on Facebook. Oh. But Kuya Bear already contact with Ate Mel. Oh, I said it. Don't do that again. Oh. It's not my parents to contact. It's Ate Mel Canete, I mentioned. She contact with, who's that? Kuya Bear, oh, in Messenger, and he said that tell him not to create fake account in Facebook of Ate Dina, oh, he already knows. It was me, oh, she's describing me, oh, I said, don't do that again. So I learned about the past. It never happened again. And speaking of never happen again, it will never happen again.